In this video, how to fix secure boot can be enabled when system is in user mode on a Gigabyte motherboard. To fix it, select the Secure Boot customization, then change it to Standard. A new window will open. Select Yes to install factory defaults. As you can see, the error was gone, and we can enable the Secure Boot normally. Additionally, if you cannot see the Secure Boot option, you need to disable CSM support first. You got this because in the current session the CSM is loaded. So after disabling it, we need to save the changes, then restart the computer before enabling the Secure Boot. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.